What's going on, everybody? This is your main man, Isaac Smooth Barron, with some more of that country living. So, we're gonna go and do something a little different here today that I know you boys up north don't understand. Ain't that right, baby?
That's right.
So, we're in the kitchen. We're in a hotel. But you know what? Us country folk, we like to get rooms with sinks and stoves and such. You city boys have these little old bitty refrigerators just about that big around, and you can't do nothing with them. We got a full board here, boy. You understand me? Anyway, to the point. We're going to cook us some chicken today. First of all, you know how we do in the country. We washes our chicken. Now, the thing is, I'm not going to show you how to cook it. I'm just going to show you a country secret on how to get it to taste real nice. Because you know what you city boys need to realize? If you don't know how to use seasonings, you might as well use some fruits. And they say, I'd Smooth Barron, that sound all crazy and such. That ain't no country living, won't they, baby? Mm-hmm. But they don't know nothing, do they, baby? Mm-mm. So anyway, get right there. You can see in there, I chopped up some little pieces of lime. All right? Mm-hmm. And then right here, I have lemon, the whole lemon that I had squeezed it prior. But you know what, city boys? It don't matter as long as it's squeezed. You understand me? Mm-hmm. So, you take that right there. See, I already had a little lime in there. But I wanted my chicken to be a little more lemony than limey. Ain't that right, baby? Mm-hmm. So, you drop those in there. And what you do is, you go fishing or something. What do you city boys do? Go skateboarding and such? But anyway, you sit there in that water, and you can put it in. You should put it in the refrigerator to keep it cool, and so the acids from the lemon and the lime gets into your chicken. Ain't that right, baby? So instead of just talking about the way you city folk can cook, I just showed you a country boy recipe. But this is Isaac Smooth Barron, baby. Ain't that right, baby? Ain't you there, baby?
That's right.
With some more country to live in. Try it out. Let me know how it goes, city boys. Get that, baby?
Yes.
It don't matter if you get it or not, those cities boys not going to pick up on it and do it right.
Well, that's them.
Well, I keep doing country living, but they still keep doing the same old thing.
Well, they saw what it said.
They're not even going to get the right kind of lemon, the right kind of lime, none of that. They don't even remember to wash their chicken, baby.
That's so sad.
You sound so unconcerned.
I am unconcerned. That's their food.
What happened? Why are you so uptight? Did you sleep through your alarm?
No, I didn't.
That's not funny. Why is the number still on the camera, baby?
Because you record yourself.
Oh, crap. How you turn this thing off?
You get the camera.